Hello everyone, time for a check of what this last day of the work week holds in store for you, and it's going to be a cooler day along the west coast with increased cloud cover as well as a bit of early drizzle in the area that will clear out. It's also been a wet start to Friday for some parts of the Highveld as indicated by the synoptic analysis, and that area of rainfall will spread northwards as the day goes on, and at the same time it will gradually fizzle out. For this afternoon we're going to see a redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms all across the central parts of the country, and those will also be spreading northwards on the Highveld for this evening. We could even have a couple of small storms creeping into Gauteng once again later on. Bit of moisture from the Indian Ocean will be moving in along the eastern and southern coastline tonight, and that will push in some cloud cover for those areas. Quick look at the rainfall probability map, and we see scattered showers and thunderstorms for today on the Highveld, including Gauteng and most of Mpumalanga, down into the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, while over the central Free State, including Bloemfontein, just isolated thunderstorms for today. Similar conditions for parts of the Eastern Cape, and there we can see that light rain or drizzle along the western coastline at first. That's in the process of clearing. The alerts for today indicating one watch. That's for the possibility that severe thunderstorms could develop over the northern Free State as well as along the Vaal River. Atmospheric conditions are favourable for stronger storms in the area. Those could lead to hail and perhaps even strong winds in association with those storms. Cooler today over parts of the northern interior because of the increased cloud cover as well as the rain that's hanging around the area, but it's still going to be a hot day for some areas in the northwest. Mahikeng gets to 30 degrees. Hot as well for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal as well as parts of the Eastern Cape. Queenstown and Mthatha both get to a maximum of 32. Southwesterly winds are going to be fresh to strong along the Eastern Cape coastline. Those southwesters are going to make their way up to the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, reaching Durban by this evening, but before then you have an easterly to northeasterly wind. Hot for the Karoo, but not quite as warm as you head into the Breda River Valley. Worcester and Robertson both getting up to 28, and it's going to be a mild day all across the southern coastline. Maximum temperatures only at about 20 degrees Celsius. Fresh southwesterly winds for Jeffreys Bay. In the Northern Cape, it's going to be hot for some areas. Uppington gets to 33, a pleasantly warm day for Calvinia at 26. And along the western coastline of the country, we have light to moderate winds in the forecast, freshening for Alexander Bay later on in the day, and we're going to see temperatures hanging around the 20-degree mark for the afternoon as well. Southwesterly swells coming in with a height of about 2 metres, but getting up to about 2.5 metres around Cape Town. A look ahead to tomorrow when wet weather continues over the eastern parts of the country. It's going to be a hot day for Gauteng, and there's a very slight possibility for a bit of rainfall in Cape Town. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.